So for DMR today, it says that Harold is making cupcakes for the school bake sale. He made 48 blueberry cupcakes, 24 oatmeal cupcakes, 72 chocolate chip cupcakes, and 36 confetti cupcakes. I need to write a ratio of oatmeal cupcakes to chocolate chip cupcakes. Then I need to write a ratio comparison statement for the given ratio. So if he's made all these cupcakes, we need to write a ratio of oatmeal. I'll highlight our oatmeal. That's our first number. 2 chocolate chip cupcakes. That's our second number. Chocolate chip cupcakes. Okay, and then you have the word 2. So that's a hint for you. 2. So how many oatmeal cookies do we have? Let's look here. Oatmeal, 24. 2, because that's right here, and they only want a ratio. They're not saying 3. We can just write 1. 24, 2. How many chocolate chips? 72 chocolate chips. So I'll say 72, 24 to 72. Now I need to write my ratio comparison statement. So remember, for every 24 oatmeal cupcakes, there are 72 chocolate chip cupcakes. Okay, that's all you have to do for DMR.